Hi, I'm Joel Reedy, a founding attorney at Cornerstone Law Firm in Reading, Pennsylvania. As the coronavirus crisis has ramped up, a lot of people are asking the question, do I still have to pay my mortgage, and can they foreclose on me even while the coronavirus is raging all around us? The short answer to these questions is yes and yes. You do still have to pay your mortgage, even under financial hardship, you may still have to, and you will still potentially face a foreclosure action if you don't pay your mortgage. Obviously, none of us knows how long this is going to last, and so this is a real concern for a lot of people. But here are a couple things to keep in mind if you're concerned about that. First, Act 6 in Pennsylvania is what governs foreclosure actions. It's what sets the rules, and it's a fairly lengthy process. Part of this process is that the mortgage is required to meet and confer with you and see if there's anything that can be done to try to modify your payments within reason or to do something to help you out. Under the circumstances, meet and confer may be very difficult for a lot of banks or lenders to do. So that's a process you may want to go ahead and take advantage of, even if it's just to kind of slow things down and see if you can buy some time to fix your finances or to see if this crisis passes and you're able to get some money together. The second thing to remember is that banks are facing a mass problem of a lot of people who may not be able to pay their mortgage. In short, it might be okay for them to foreclose on a few people, but they can't afford to foreclose on a ton of people, or they're going to have a problem as well. So part of it is that they may be very willing to talk to you. So reach out to your mortgage lender, talk to them about your situation, see if they can help you out. There are also some charitable funds that are established sometimes for situations like this, and your lender may know about some of those because they have an interest in helping you get that mortgage paid as well. Third and finally, if you are facing foreclosure and it's very serious, I want to really encourage you, it's important to reach out to an attorney and talk to them about the situation. There are various things that you can do, including deed in lieu of foreclosure. There are also other actions, though, that can be done to make sure that if you do have to move out of your house, it doesn't ruin your credit. Foreclosures are really bad for you in terms of credit, and so there are options that are available to you, and there are bargaining chips you still have in this process. So don't give up just yet. This video isn't meant to be legal advice, but I hope it helps you to answer some of your questions. If you're here in Pennsylvania, some things you'll want to think about in relation to a foreclosure. If you have specific questions, feel free to reach out to our firm, and we'll see if we can help you to answer those questions.